No shots, no drills for a cavity. Surprising, right? But that's true. So with the Solea laser, you don't have to get you numb most of the time. You're going to feel like a refreshing water, cool water, and that's basically it. Your appointment is going to be great. It's going to be quick, efficient, fast, and you wouldn't even know that you have something done. Here's is exactly why you don't need a shot when I use this laser. Solea laser is a CO2 laser that treats soft tissue and hard tissue. But when we're going to do cavities, which is a hard tissue, the Solea laser confuses your brain. It's like laser analgesia. So basically, it stop pain to getting into your brain so we can work quickly without numbing, but without pain, and finish your cavity under a few minutes. Let's be honest, sometimes we have to use some anesthesia before the procedures when we use the Solea laser. But most of the time, for example, is with patients that have so much sensitivity in their teeth that they cannot tolerate even a cool water, then we have to get them numb. Another time is, for example, when the cavity is too deep into the tooth, into the deep layers of the tooth, then we also have to get the patient numb. Those are the main cases. Or when we have to remove like a very, very, very large filling, sometimes the patient is uncomfortable, but for the most part, it's anesthesia free. So we always going to let our patients know, hey, if you need anything, remember you're in control. If you need a little bit more anesthesia, or if you need whatever you need, let us know and we will provide it for you. One of the most common questions that our patients ask when we finish a procedure is, when can I eat? But with traditional procedures, when we have to get the patient numb, obviously you have to wait until the anesthesia wears off, and then you feel like this droopy feeling, you feel heavy, and it's not a comfortable feeling. But when we use the laser, that we don't have to get you numb, you can just go ahead right away and have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, whatever you want, because in reality, you feel like nothing happened. If you're pregnant or you want to keep things very naturally when you go to the dentist, you need to hear this. With the Solea laser, we are able to provide procedures anesthesia free. So if you have any question about it, please call our office and we're going to answer all your questions. Give us a call. So I met this patient and he had a very bad experience with, traditional dentistry. And he actually found me through Solea website. And it was amazing because he told me, once I try the laser, I can never go back to traditional dentistry. So he needed some fillings. We did it, very quick and efficient. After that, he was going to eat with his parents, no problems. He was super happy. And he said, this is great. So when patient ask me if the laser technology is really a reason to switch dentists, and I will ask them, did you value your time? Do you want to go to the dentist for a shorter amount of time? Do you mind not getting anesthesia? Do you value going to eat right after your appointment? You're going to have less anxiety during your appointment. Is that important to you? Is 100% worth it?